Welcome, today in front of me Doogee S40 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here you got the sound section, tap on that and right there you will see the ring volume. Just swipe with your finger to the left or to the right side, doesn't matter. Also we got the second way, you can just change it with your volume buttons here on the right side of your phone. Just press here on the up volume button and on the right volume button like this. Also you can hear the settings icon when you press on these buttons, and also we'll go to the sound settings. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.